Automated shop floor data preparation provides advanced workflow automation capabilities to automatically prepare information for the shop floor. This starts with the automated preparation of extended data DXF flat files to facilitate automated bent program generation. This includes processing small or large batches of sheet metal parts and embedding the proper extended data into each DXF flat file. This starts with the proper material thickness, the standard bend process that matches the parameters of each sheet metal part. This also includes the tooling based on the matching standard bend process. Global Edge provides the capability to store your standard bend processes and automatically translate this information to drive your CAM bending software. This includes each of your press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders. Global Edge includes an automated work queue that automatically processes your daily production information. This includes the automatic importation of CAD part parameters, and the automatic generation of DXF flat files. Global Edge optionally generates routing steps, based on CAD part parameters. This information is automatically added to the DXF flat file as extended data that can be utilized by your CAM bending, nesting, and scheduling software. All this information is formatted and prepared for the shop floor. Global Edge adds properly formatted extended data to the DXF flat files to facilitate automated bend program generation. DXF flat files are provided to the nesting software, including optional adjustments to bend radius and K factors. Global Edge supplies your scheduling software with optimal routing steps to aid in the scheduling process. Global Edge provides the shop floor with accurate and timely information. To schedule a demonstration, and receive software pricing, and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity, and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.